In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your website for mobile using manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com. We'll go through the steps to ensure your site looks great on any device, focusing on user friendliness and appearance. First, head over to wix.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your site dashboard and click on Edit Site. This will open the Wix editor, where you can make all the necessary changes to your site. Next, you'll want to focus on ensuring your website is mobile responsive. To do this, switch to Mobile View in the Wix editor by finding the mobile icon in the top menu and giving it a click. This simple action will update the view from a desktop layout to how it appears on mobile devices. With Mobile View active, it's time to adjust your mobile layout. Start by moving elements. You can easily drag and drop sections, images, or text to better align with the smaller screen. If some elements seem too large or too small, use the resizing handles to make them fit just right. You might even find some pieces that aren't necessary in a mobile view. No worries. You can hide elements by selecting them and opting for Hidden on Mobile. Additionally, since mobile screens are vertically oriented, it can be helpful to stack elements one on top of the other for easier navigation. Now that your layout is set, let's dive into mobile-specific settings. Wix automatically creates a user-friendly hamburger menu for mobile devices, but you can customize this under the Menus and Pages section by heading to Design and then Mobile Menu. Make sure your text and buttons are easy to read and large enough to tap on without difficulty. Furthermore, you'll want to adjust the spacing, including padding and margins, to keep everything from feeling cramped or too tight. Once you've made all these adjustments, it's crucial to preview your site to see how everything looks and functions on mobile. Click on Preview to test buttons, links, and scrolling, ensuring everything operates smoothly and as intended. If you're satisfied with your mobile setup, you're almost at the finish line. A final step is to click Publish to make all these changes live so your audience can enjoy a seamless browsing experience on their mobile devices. And there you have it. Simply click on Done to wrap up your session. By following these steps, you've ensured that your Wix site is not only visually appealing, but also entirely responsive, providing a consistent and professional experience for all users, regardless of their device.